home is where the heart is, and a comfortable home starts with efficient heating and cooling. At KW Energy, our family-run business is dedicated to making your home more comfortable and energy efficient. Using state-of-the-art Aeroseal technology, we seal your HVAC ducts from the inside, improving energy efficiency and enhancing indoor air quality by reducing leaks. With our certified Aeroseal service, you'll enjoy lower energy bills, improved air quality, and a more comfortable home. And thanks to a grant from Avista, we provide free Aeroseal sealing and cleaning services for those in manufactured homes with electric furnaces in select areas of Stevens and Ferry counties. Trust our family to take care of yours. Call KW Energy today and breathe easier.